Hello everyone, so if you want to set up the camera on your Redmi Note 13 and explore some cool features, first to open up your camera application. Now find this arrow and here find your gear icon. So tap it to open up your settings. Now here you can choose your picture quality, set it on high to get the best of your camera. You can enable mirror front camera. This is great if you want your selfies to appear exactly as you see them. You can enable tap to take photo. You can enable image stabilization, auto frame rate, choose the video encoder for high compatibility or high performance, right? You can allow tagging videos and so on. Here you can configure your video recording and assign functions to some volume buttons, right? So you can use it as a shutter, as a timer, as a zoom, or as a volume itself. It depends on your taste and on your preferences, right? You can also rearrange the layout of camera functions to make it more personalized, and you can turn on the shutter sound if you want to. Adjust your anti-banding, or you can simply turn it off. So if you are not satisfied with your settings, or if you're experimenting too much and you want to go back to the defaults, simply press on restore default settings, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.